All right, this is a combination of a airplane with a banded pull apart. So in this position, we can do a kickstand variation or a single leg stance variation. For this example, we're going to do a kickstand variation. We're going to pull apart, pulling the shoulder blades back and down, keeping the band touching your chest, elbows locked out. We're then going to hinge, loading our hips in this position. We're going to rotate as far as we can one direction, and then rotate the opposite direction. The entire time, your glutes need to stay engaged, as well as your shoulder blades pinched, keeping that band attached to your chest.